So one of the most spectacular features of the banded iron formations here at Dales Gorge are the alternating layers of dark reddish colors and light whitish colors back and forth at all sorts of different scales throughout this formation. And you can trace these bands in many cases for tens or even hundreds of kilometers. What's causing that? Well, the reddish bands are bands that are rich in iron, and specifically rich in iron oxide, very much like rust. Iron reacts with oxygen to make a reddish colored material that can settle out of solution and make these very nice layers. And we think that's what happened on an ancient ocean basin, that iron reacted with oxygen to fall out of solution. It doesn't take very much oxygen at all, trace amount of oxygen, and you can do that. Although there are other theories that don't involve oxygen that you can learn about elsewhere. So the reddish layers are iron. The whitish layers are what we call chert, and they represent silicon reacting with oxygen, precipitating out of solution, without much iron present. So we have this alternation, iron rich, iron poor, iron rich, iron poor. And we argue about what that means. We aren't quite sure why we have these alternating layers. There are different theories, but whatever those theories are, they all speak to variations back and forth in the environmental conditions in this location at the time that the sediments that made these rocks were laid down.